What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Plants vs. Zombies mod menu completely free. This method works perfectly on both iOS and Android devices. As you can see on the screen, this mod unlocks all the best hacks in the game, including unlimited gems and coins, infinite sun and food, and every single plant fully unlocked. With this mod menu, you'll have access to all premium features without spending a dime. Before we get started, make sure your Plants vs. Zombies app is updated to the latest version. To check, simply head over to the App Store or Google Play Store and confirm there are no pending updates. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to go. Now here's the important part. Scroll down to the pinned comment below this video. I've included the exact steps and the link to download Plants vs. Zombies Double Plus, so you can get the mod menu safely and easily. Follow the instructions there, and you'll be playing with unlimited resources in minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out!